Alright, so let's take a room of 100020 here on MSc Grandiosa. First, starting off with the bathroom. Now again, this is my first time in this room. I'm pretty sure it's similar to the rest of the rooms that I've been on. I've been on 7 MSc ships as of this video. This is the shower. As you all can see, yes, it does include body wash and shower gel. Excuse me, shampoo and shower gel. Towels and everything are included. They have some hooks over here. Now this is a cabin where you do need a key card to actually power your room. I tried like a different card and it didn't work. So you do need a key card with this barcode or it's not gonna power through. This is the temperature control gauge right here. This is your do not disturb and makeup room right here. Now this is a solo cruise. I just finished getting cheated on by my girlfriend for over a year, so it'll be a solo cruise for a while now. What that says, plenty of space here for me. This is the closet right here. So double closet, half of it has this over here, half is full size. It does come with an included safe, and you see 2 cubbies in there as well. Now for me, this is more than enough space because this is actually a 3-night cruise. So I mean, honestly, I might not even get up, unpack my bag. I'm not really sure what this is, to be honest, and you can't move it. So I'll have to look it up. It looks like a Bluetooth speaker or something like that. I'll check it out. But right here, they do have a mini bar. And it is stocked, so that's actually pretty cool. And then you got a seat and an ottoman down here, as you can see. And then as far as outlets, as of right now, I see 1, 2, then you got a USB, and then the 2 converters right here, the European outlets. So as of right now, that's technically 5 outlets right here alone at the desk area. And then also your desk phone, excuse me, your phone for the room, and then your bed. So as you all can see, there is that split right there. So yes, they are pushed together. You can separate it and have basically 2 twin size beds, but this does make like almost a queen size bed if I'm not mistaken. And then over here, so they do not have any actual outlets beside the bed on this side, none, which kind of sucks. And then if I'm looking on the other side, so that one actually does, I can see the symbol from here. This one does have a USB outlet, so if that's what you need, they have one, and it is right here, as you can see. So altogether, this room has 5 different outlets that you can use. Excuse me, 6 different outlets, including the one beside the bed. So I hope this is very helpful. Again, this is a good, nice size. To be honest with you, this is about the same size as the interior yacht club that I had on the seashore. That's almost identical outside of them having a couch that was right here, but it's almost the same size. And right here is the TV. This does not swivel out, but it is directly in front of the bed. As you all can see, the TV, the bed, so straightforward.